Hello, this is our video presentation for Assignment 2 of Advanced Topics in Software Engineering. The group members are displayed on screen now. In this assignment, we were tasked with selecting an application for our group to develop whilst practicing professional agile development methodologies such as Scrum or Kanban. Our group settled on developing a second-hand shopping application for University of West London students. This decision was made as we deemed it to be the most feasible application for our group to develop, considering each member's capabilities and the amount of time we had. The video will go over tools we used, such as Jira and GitHub, and ways in which we adhered to agile development practices. Hello, my name is Joshua. My role in developing this application was being a part of the development team. The development team is responsible for developing and testing the application, as well as fixing any bugs or errors that may occur, and working with the Scrum Master to ensure successful sprints, as well as responding to feedback from the project owner.
Hello, I am Mohammad Daud. For this project here, I was the product owner. As a product owner, I played a crucial role in the development process. Um, my responsibilities included defining the product vision, creating or gathering requirements, ranking features, as well as creating user histories, collaborating with team members, making decisions for the project, providing feedback, and managing the product backlog.
I am Gorasiya. I was the team member and developer. I have been deeply involved in the core of sprint activities such as planning, execution, and retrospectives. My primary responsibilities were turning user stories into a working app. I thoroughly write code informed by tasks updated in Jira, ensuring each sprint's deliverables are met. Leveraging tools like GitHub Copilot, I refined our code base.
Hello, I'm Sajid Ikram. In this project, I serve as both Scrum Master and developer. As a Scrum Master, I ensure we followed agile rules. I divided the task and lead meetings. Additionally, as a developer, I built different parts of the app.
Agile development is transforming the way we create our second-hand marketplace app at UWL. It's dynamic, iterative, and user focused. By integrating agile principles and extreme programming, we are not just coding, we are crafting an experience. This approach emphasizes flexibility, frequent assessment, and team collaboration, which is essential for our fast paced development cycle. Our development starts with the user stories that encapsulate the user needs. For instance, a seller wants to post item easily and buyer wants to find what they are looking for without hassle. These stories are the heartbeat of our project. Every feature starts with a story and ends with a satisfied user need. Through 3 week sprints, our team delivers increments of the app, gathering feedback to refine, adjust in the next sprint. To augment our efficiency, GitHub Copilot suggests code as we type, like a GPS for our programming. And for the project management, Jira is our compass, guiding us through the complexities of development with precision. In the sprint of extreme programming, pair programming is key. Ikram and I, for example, have tackled complex problems together, ensuring quality and fostering a shared code ownership.
This is the first release of our application, and this screen is the login screen. User can go to the registration screen and back to login screen. They can use the forget password option. While doing the registration, no one can use a normal email. For example, if I try to use my personal email here, it will give me an error. So I have to use my university email. So now I will log in with an existing account. So this is the home screen a user will see, and these are the posts, and product detail will be available here. So an owner have to put their contact detail as well, and from here they can use a new product, a new item for sale. For example, if they want to take a picture, they can take a picture. They can select from gallery as well, and they can post it. The post will appear here, and if they want to log out, they can use the top button. So this is the version 2 of our application. We have added the navigation bar. We also created the profile section, and user can see their post from here. They can edit and delete posts. They can add a post from here. They can also edit their profile, and they can also log out from here. So this is the final version of our application. We added a chat feature with push notification. For example, if I want to buy this product, I will message the owner and it will appear as a push notification like that. And if I tap there, it will open the chat and I can reply from here and it will appear on the other side.
The agile management section. For the agile development, we decided to use Scrum framework. So we have created 3 sprints. And then for the management, we decided to use Jira. As you can see in the backlog, we have created epics, which are like tasks. Sprint 1, sprint 2, and sprint 3. Each sprint has a start date and due date. Also, each sprint has issues or tasks. Those tasks have status as well as people who have been assigned to. And once we assign member of the group to a task, they will be available on the board cards, and then they will be first here. And then as soon as one of the team members start, they will be in the progress. As you can see, they are all completed now and done without no bugs. For the timeline as well, we have all these sprints completed. As you can see, first sprint, second, and the third, they're all completed.
Here's our version control system. We decided to use Git as it's the most widely used version control system, and our members have plenty of experience using Git. Here's all of our application files. Before a developer works on the application, they would be required to pull from this repository using Git commands. And when they're finished editing the code, they would be required to commit and push with Git commands. Before any commitments are made, the development team would ensure that there are no errors and the application is fully tested. Git commitments are properly labeled as to ensure that it's always clear what changes have been made to the application. Here we have 3 versions of our application that we released at the end of each sprint. We've ensured that each release is properly labeled with what features have been added, what improvements have been made, and what issues have been fixed. So this has been our video presentation for Assignment 2 in Advanced Topics in Software Engineering. We've gone into detail about how we've adhered to agile practices and discussed what tools we've used to allow us to reach this outcome of developing this application as a team. We thank you for watching.